Hey, what's up, you guys? Back in the video. Today we're gonna be trying how far we can get in a dusty ship with the new car. Let's go. Also, I made a tutorial how to get this. Yeah.
I am going to roll this car. Why? Because he exploded. I was joking. No more talking about it. I got a beautiful car here. All I want is $7,000. Look at this. Move on my way.
Oh, we're not loading yet. Skip to a second car. Oh, we're in. Well, this is. Wait, is this how you guys put a dusty ship?
My car is Nokia. You can't see this.
Oh shit. I'm lagging. Okay. Why am I slow? Dude, this is what you guys put on? Hey, here's my beautiful Bugatti! Really? There we go. Whoa, this is weird. I usually play on Xbox. Yo, why is this like hard? You can't go hard wrong. What the? Wheels. I like this car. I got to 10,000 with it. Hey, I need to turn down my graphics. Hey. Mobile is crazy. Oh my god. Why is mobile so hard? I feel like this is what I felt. Is this? Oh no, the bug! No, the oh no. I just lost. Oh my! Why is it taking me so? 400. He's built. Did you guys know there's a chance of there's like a guy with the flame truck that had and his car's inspired? Wait. Check it. Hit that place. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Alright. Let's go. Oh my gosh, we're going fast. Alright, you guys are 200. Move! This cat? Whoa, 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 wait! Wait! Ah! No! Locked and loaded. Oh no. We only got to 500. Is this called warfare? Yes. Dude. Oh no. Well, that's it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hold up. What?